Hello, how are you? Welcome to the ShopSmart channel. Today, I'm going to analyze the TOZO HT2. The TOZO HT2 is an over-ear Bluetooth headphone that offers hybrid noise cancellation, long battery life, and high-quality sound. This model is ideal for those seeking an immersive and comfortable listening experience, whether at home, work, or during travels. Technical specifications: headphone type over-ear, driver size 40 mm, impedance 32 ohms, sensitivity 108 dB plus or minus 3 dB, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, connectivity to Bluetooth 5.0, battery up to 60 hours, with ANC off, microphone yes, with noise cancellation, device compatibility Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, included accessories USB-C charging cable, auxiliary audio cable, carrying case. Sound quality: the TOZO HT2 impresses with its rich and detailed sound quality. The 40 mm drivers offer powerful bass, crisp mids, and crystal clear highs. High-res audio technology ensures high-fidelity sound reproduction, perfect for music lovers. Noise cancellation: the HT2's hybrid noise cancellation is one of its strong points. It combines feed-forward and feedback technology to eliminate up to 35 dB of ambient noise. This means you can focus on your music, podcasts, or audiobooks without being distracted by surrounding noise. Comfort and ergonomics: the HT2 is designed to provide comfort during hours of use. The soft, breathable ear pads perfectly adapt to your ears, and the lightweight, adjustable design prevents fatigue. Features: the HT2 has various useful features, such as playback controls, play/pause, track forward/backward, volume up/down, ANC volume control, transparency mode, multifunction button, answer calls, activate virtual assistant, and multipoint connection. Negatives and positives: negatives: noise cancellation is not as powerful as premium models, the microphone could have better quality, and the carrying case is somewhat fragile. Positives: excellent sound quality, efficient noise cancellation, long battery life, comfortable for hours of use, lightweight and adjustable design, extra features like transparency mode and multipoint connection, affordable price. Recommended for music lovers seeking an immersive listening experience, people working in noisy environments needing to focus, travelers wanting a comfortable headphone for long journeys, and users seeking good value for money. Conclusion: the TOZO HT2 is a great option for those looking for an over-ear Bluetooth headphone with good noise cancellation, high sound quality, and long battery life. Its comfortable design and extra features make it ideal for anyone seeking an immersive listening experience anywhere. That's my analysis of the TOZO HT2. If you liked it, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more electronic product reviews.